Are you still using a manual toothbrush and wondering if you're getting the best clean possible? The truth is, the right electric toothbrush can remove more plaque, improve your gum health, and make your daily routine easier than ever. But with so many models available, choosing the perfect one can be confusing. Some offer premium features you may never use, while others simply don't deliver the performance they promise. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric toothbrushes that combine powerful cleaning performance, advanced brushing technology, long battery life, and exceptional value for your money. We'll compare plaque removal, brushing modes, battery performance, smart features, comfort, and overall durability to help you choose the perfect toothbrush for a healthier smile. Whether you're upgrading your oral care routine, protecting sensitive gums, or looking for a dentist-recommended clean every day, these electric toothbrushes are designed to deliver a deeper, more effective clean with minimal effort. Be sure to watch until the end, because our #1 pick offers the perfect balance of cleaning power, comfort, and value, and it might not be the one you expect. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and buying options. Now, let's brush up on the best electric toothbrushes of the year. Number 1. Aquasonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush. The Aquasonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush combines premium features with an affordable price, making it one of the best value electric toothbrushes available. Powered by a 40,000 VPM ultrasonic motor, it offers deep cleaning, plaque removal, and gum care, while including 8 DuPont brush heads and a durable travel case for long-term convenience. With ADA acceptance, 4 brushing modes, wireless charging, and a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Black Series delivers a complete oral care experience, suitable for everyday use and travel. Pros: powerful 40,000 VPM ultrasonic motor for effective cleaning, ADA accepted for plaque removal and gum health, 4 brushing modes including clean, soft, whiten, and massage, includes 8 DuPont brush heads lasting up to 2.5 years, long battery life with wireless charging, smart 2-minute timer with 30-second interval reminders, lightweight, waterproof IPX7 premium design, durable travel case included for easy portability, excellent value with many accessories included. Cons: no Bluetooth app connectivity, only 1 brush head included. Replacement brush heads can be expensive. Charging base is slightly bulky for travel. Fewer smart features than premium flagship models. Final verdict: the Aquasonic Black Series delivers premium cleaning performance at an excellent price. Its powerful motor, ADA approval, long battery life, wireless charging, and generous bundle of 8 brush heads make it a fantastic value for most users. While it lacks app connectivity and advanced smart features, it excels where it matters most: cleaning performance, convenience, and long-term value. If you're looking for a reliable electric toothbrush without paying flagship prices, the Aquasonic Black Series is an outstanding choice. Number 2. GENKENT Replacement Toothbrush Heads. The GENKENT replacement toothbrush heads are an affordable alternative to official Oral-B brush heads, offering reliable cleaning performance at a fraction of the price. This 12-piece pack features soft DuPont bristles, color-coded rings for family use, and compatible with many popular Oral-B brown electric toothbrushes. Designed with angled bristles to clean along the gum line and between teeth, these replacement heads provide an effective everyday brushing experience, while helping users save money on long-term replacement costs. Pros: excellent value with 12 replacement brush heads included, compatible with many Oral-B brown electric toothbrush models, soft, durable DuPont bristles for comfortable cleaning, angled bristle design helps remove plaque effectively, color-coded rings make family sharing easy, quick and simple snap-on installation, bristles stay secure during normal use, great budget-friendly alternative to OEM brush heads. Cons: not an official Oral-B product, may not fit every newer Oral-B model perfectly, cleaning performance is slightly below premium OEM heads, no brush head wear indicator on some versions, packaging is fairly basic. Final verdict: the GENKENT replacement toothbrush heads offer impressive value for anyone using a compatible Oral-B electric toothbrush. With durable DuPont bristles, reliable cleaning performance, and a generous 12-pack, they significantly reduce replacement costs while maintaining good daily oral care. Although they don't completely match the performance of official Oral-B brush heads, they're an excellent budget-friendly option for families and regular users who want quality replacements without paying premium prices. Number 3. Philips Sonicare 4100 Series Electric Toothbrush. The Philips Sonicare 4100 Series is an excellent mid-range electric toothbrush that combines powerful sonic cleaning with user-friendly features. Using advanced sonic technology, it removes up to 7 times more plaque than a manual toothbrush while remaining gentle on teeth and gums. With a built-in pressure sensor, 2 intensity settings, and a 14-day battery life, it's designed to deliver effective everyday oral care. Ideal for first-time electric toothbrush users or those looking for a dependable sonic toothbrush, the Sonicare 4100 offers premium cleaning performance without the high price of flagship models. Pros: removes up to 7 times more plaque than a manual toothbrush. Advanced sonic technology provides powerful yet gentle cleaning. Built-in pressure sensor helps protect teeth and gums. 2 brushing intensity settings. Smart timer and quad pacer encourage proper brushing habits. Brush head replacement reminder for consistent performance. Up to 14 days of battery life per charge. Lightweight, comfortable, and easy-to-use design. From the #1 dentist-recommended Sonic toothbrush brand. Cons: only 1 brush head included. No travel case included. Lacks Bluetooth app connectivity. USB charger included, but power adapter is not. Fewer cleaning modes than premium Sonicare models. Final verdict. The Philips Sonicare 4100 series offers an excellent balance of cleaning performance, comfort, and value. Its powerful sonic technology, pressure sensor, long battery life, and smart brushing features make it a great choice for improving daily oral hygiene. Although it doesn't include premium extras like Bluetooth connectivity or multiple cleaning modes, it delivers everything most users need for effective plaque removal and healthier gums. If you're looking for a reliable sonic toothbrush at a reasonable price, the Philips Sonicare 4100 series is one of the best options available.
Number 4. Oral-B Pro 1000 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. The Oral-B Pro 1000 is one of the most popular rechargeable electric toothbrushes, offering powerful plaque removal in a simple, easy-to-use design. Featuring Oral-B's dentist-inspired round brush head, oscillating cleaning action, gum pressure control, and a built-in 2-minute timer, it delivers a noticeably deeper clean than a manual toothbrush. Designed for users who want effective cleaning without paying for premium smart features, the Pro 1000 is an excellent choice for everyday oral care. Pros: removes up to 100% more plaque than a manual toothbrush. Round brush head cleans teeth and gum line effectively. Oscillating technology delivers powerful cleaning performance. Built-in gum pressure control helps protect sensitive gums. 3 cleaning modes, including sensitive mode. 2-minute timer with 30-second quad pacer reminders. Compatible with a wide range of Oral-B replacement brush heads. Comfortable, lightweight, and easy-to-use handle. Backed by a 2-year manufacturer warranty. Cons: no Bluetooth or app connectivity. Only one brush head included. No travel case included. Battery life is shorter than some premium competitors. Basic charging stand design. Final verdict. The Oral-B Pro 1000 remains one of the best value rotating electric toothbrushes on the market. It focuses on what matters most: excellent plaque removal, effective gum protection, and simple operation without unnecessary extras. While it lacks premium smart features like app connectivity or extended battery life, its reliable cleaning performance and affordable price make it an excellent choice for most users. If you're looking for a dependable electric toothbrush that delivers dentist-quality cleaning at a reasonable cost, the Oral-B Pro 1000 is an easy recommendation. Number 5. Onlyone Rechargeable Cordless Water Flosser. The Onlyone Rechargeable Cordless Water Flosser is a practical and affordable solution for improving daily oral hygiene. Featuring 1,500 to 2,000 water pulses per minute, 4 adjustable pressure modes, and a large 300 milliliter water tank, it effectively removes food particles and plaque from hard-to-reach areas. It's especially useful for people with braces, bridges, crowns, implants, or sensitive gums. Its cordless rechargeable design, long battery life, and waterproof construction make it suitable for both home use and travel. Pros: 4 adjustable pressure modes, 50 to 150 psi. Powerful 1,500 to 2,000 pulses per minute cleaning performance. Large 300 milliliter BPA-free water tank for uninterrupted cleaning. Up to 30 days of battery life on a single charge. Includes 5 specialized nozzle tips for different cleaning needs. Excellent for braces, implants, bridges, and sensitive gums. IPX7 waterproof for safe shower use. Compact cordless design is great for travel. USB rechargeable with standard 5-volt charging. Cons: power adapter not included. Water pressure may be too strong for first-time users on higher settings. Slightly bulkier than ultra-compact travel flossers. Replacement nozzle should be changed every 3 months. Can be a little noisy during operation. Final verdict. The Onlyone Cordless Water Flosser delivers excellent cleaning performance, long battery life, and impressive value at an affordable price. Its adjustable pressure settings, large water tank, and multiple nozzle attachments make it suitable for everyday users as well as people with braces or other dental work. While it lacks premium smart features found on higher-end models, it covers all the essentials with reliable performance and convenient portability. If you're looking for an effective, budget-friendly cordless water flosser for daily oral care, the Onlyone Water Flosser is a great choice.